Well, air turbine technology started about nearly 30 years ago. We started with 3 hand tools and have now expanded to over 700 products in 3 different lines. From the hand tools to the motors, where you go into the lathes, robotics, and fixtures of random fixtures, into the CNCs as well, where it's fully automated. The most popular product would have to be the hand tools. The company was founded on the hand tools. It started nearly 35 years ago, as I mentioned, and we're known for that. Across the world, we're known for the hand tools.
And who would buy the hand tools? What type of company? What sort of applications?
You name it. Anywhere from aerospace to medical to molding and even hand engraving in wood. Pretty much anyone uses a hand tool.
And then when you move on from hand tools, so you've then moved into the CNC product or the CNC market. Talk to us about this type of product from the high-speed spindles on the machining centre we got here.
Well, we have the CNC air turbine spindles, and it's brilliant because they're fully automated in any CNC. We can retrofit them in just about anyone you name, from Haas, who's friendly enough to let us use their machines, to Herco, Robo-Drill, DMG if we need to be, pretty much anything in the industry. They don't heat up. You can run them 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's very simple on the inside. No brushes, no gears, no oil, maintenance free. I mean, it's a brilliant product for anyone with a 10 to 12,000 RPM spindle that needs to go much faster. You can instantly turn your machine into a high-speed milling machine.
And how does it work? What powers it? What powers the spindle?
Well, the main spindle, as you know, we're not trying to replace that. It's just a really nice accessory, and you go up to 1.4 horsepower. We start at 25,000 RPMs and go up to 90,000 RPMs.
But is it pneumatic? It's run
completely pneumatic. Like I said, there's no gears, no brushes, there's no oil. Very simple on the inside, powered solely by air, 90 PSI, at max around 30 CFM and as low as around 6 CFM, so most of it is fairly shop standard.
So you'd lock the spindle, bring the tool, you bring the tool in, lock the spindle, so there's no wear on the actual spindle of the machine either.
You got it. The main machine spindle sits completely still. It's just the bottom of the tool that spins all on its own by a separate air line that goes into the block and powers the tool.
In terms of materials that you can cut with them, or that, I mean, have you got power there? Is it just aluminiums that you machine, or other materials?
You name it. Whatever you want to machine, you can machine. The difference will be your depth of cut and your feed rate. But you can go anywhere from graphites to ceramics, opposite ends of the spectrum. And what you're dealing with is, again, depth of cut and feed rate, but you can cut it all.
And in the UK, where would you buy one of these from in the UK?
You would buy them from ITC. They are the sole exclusive distributor of our product in air turbine technology.